composite, let's say, demonstrator. So this one is called the Foreing object damage panel. This one is a sub-representative of a fan blade. We use such demonstrator in the R&T to test our manufactured material, let's say, so regarding burst strike and things like that. So the idea is that such demonstrator will help the partners to understand how we can integrate sensor during the manufacturing of this demonstrator and use it to test the technology for SHM purpose. In one hand, we would like to detect burst strike event which occur during operation, and the other hand, we would like to assess the health of the structure by developing SHM algorithms and let's say and prognostic also, which help us to get information about remaining useful life before reaching a critical damage size. Based on the prognostics algorithms, we can have an idea about how many times we have before repairing or replacing these targeted structures. And this is why Safran Safran Research Technology is mainly involved with the partners by feeding them knowledge on the specification and requirement related to this demonstrator in one hand. On the other hand, we are also working together to, we will have the opportunity during this project to be at Safran Composite so that we will integrate such a sensing technology within the RTM process.